If I wanted to look like a Marvel superhero who just got out of a cold plunge and a breakup, here's exactly what I'd do. Not because I need to, but just in case I wanted to be so shredded that shirt fabric cries when it touches me. Quick disclaimer. This is not for the faint of heart, the carb dependent, or anyone who thinks moderation is a personality trait. This is extreme. This is borderline stupid. But it works. And yeah, it's kind of fun when your abs start to look like they were 3D printed. Step 1. Enter the Hunger Games. We're going full PSMF, protein-sparing modified fast, which is science speak for, I'm going to eat nothing but lean meat and rage for 10 days straight. No carbs, they're gone, ghosted, fat, capped at 20 grams a day, that's like 3 almonds and a tear. Protein, 1 gram per pound of body weight, and no, not your dog's weight. Calories? So low I'll start smelling food through concrete. What does this look like? Dry chicken breast? Lean ground beef? Maybe a piece of fish dry enough to use as a loofah. Some veggies at night so my digestive system doesn't stage a revolt. Step 2. Supplements creatine? Yep. Microdosed at 1.5 to 3 grams. I'm going for dry, not spongy Hulk mode. Multivitamin? Non-negotiable. Liver caps if I'm feeling primal. Magnesium at night so I don't start chewing the wall. Step 3. Lifting and walking weights in the morning. Heavy and fast. Lift like rent's due tomorrow, then leave before your body figures out what you've done. Afternoon walks. Fasted if I'm feeling extra spicy. Think hot girl walk, but with protein farts and a purpose. No hit. I'm trying to get shredded, not explode. Step 4. No cheat meals. Stop asking. One cheat meal during this? That's like throwing a burrito into a campfire. Everything burns. Your metabolism's slowed down. Your willpower is on life support. Your abs begging for mercy. If I need something sweet, I'll grab a little Greek yogurt with cinnamon. And emotional damage. Step 5. Optional fasting. Want to go harder? 14 to 18-hour fasts. Then break it like I just got released from protein prison. But don't be a hero. If you start hallucinating Doritos, maybe chill. Step 6. Timeline. Do it for 10 to 14 days. That's it. This is not a lifestyle. This is a fat loss Airbnb. You visit. You suffer. You leave. Before your body calls the cops. And by the way, science that makes this less dumb actually backs it up. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition ran a study. 15 obese individuals did PSMF for 6 weeks. They lost 32 pounds of fat and kept the muscle. Why? High protein plus resistance training. That's the secret. Muscle stays. Fat goes. Calories? Optional. TLDR. If I wanted 5% body fat for summer, I'd eat like a ripped caveman, walk like a lonely dog, and lift like rent's due tomorrow. And no, I wouldn't cheat. Unless it's on leg day. I'm Sandro Delgado, Savage Monk. Follow for more mental edge hacks. And remember, you don't live in this mode, but sometimes you visit.